Hi, boys and girls. Today is our math lesson for Pre-K 102. So as you know, we already got to the last day of March, which is 31. Tomorrow we start with 1 again with the month of, who knows? Take a guess. So in math, yesterday we talked about the sums of 4. Yesterday we used ladybugs, but today on my felt board, I'm going to use frogs. Frogs are also coming out in the spring, and that's really important to know that if there is a sign of spring coming out when the frogs are coming out from their hibernation, because they do hibernate. It means they go to a deep sleep during the winter. So for our number 1, we have 1 frog, and we're going to make the sums of 3 plus 2 frogs, and here's the number 2. Okay. 1 plus 2 equals what? If we put them together, 1 plus 2 equals 3. So we have 3 frogs all together. Now I'm putting my frogs on the bottom because for 3 there is no space on the top. So you know the ones on the top are for 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. I can also do the opposite. I can make 2 2 plus 1 equals 3. So we are looking for today to make the sums of 3. Now that you have the support of the frogs, one little thing that I found, and I wish I had enough for all of you, but I can't find these, and I left them in the classroom. But you can get this at the Dollar Tree. It's a wipe-off board. It's like the same whiteboard that you use on the easel, but this is small. So you're going to take your dry erase marker and you're going to write the combinations of 3, or the sums of 3. So I'm going to start on the top with 0, because 0 is a number, and when you do combinations or sums of 3, you have to include 0. So 0 plus 3 equals, no, not 0, it equals 3. 1 plus 2, you see why we need to learn how to write our numbers, equals 3, which is what we did with the frogs at the beginning. I have to continue because these are not the only 2 that make sums of 3. So now I'm going to switch the 1 and the 2. So now we're going to put 2 plus 1 equals 3. Same answer. You're just moving around the addends, because these are called addends, and this is the sum. That's why I'm talking about the sums of 3. You see, they're all the same sum. Now I'm going to move the 0 over here and the 3 over here on the bottom. That's my next combination. 3 plus 0 equals what? No, not 0. 3. Very good. And boys and girls, these are the sums of 3. I'm going to put the cap on the dry erase marker because dry erase markers dry up with the air. If you keep the cap open or you don't put the cap on the marker, your marker is going to dry up very quickly and it's not going to be a good one. You can also use a tissue, or at Dollar Tree they sell erasers like these for you to practice. Practice, practice, practice. You can practice on your journal. You know you have 2 journals, right? You can also practice on a wipe-off board like this one. These are all the combinations or the sums of 3. Yesterday we did 4. So today you need to make either sums of 4, because I didn't see anybody send me any picture of it, or sums of 3, which are these. Okay? If you want to draw a picture, have mommy draw for you, or if you know how to draw some of the shapes, use shapes. You don't have to draw frogs. You don't have to draw ladybugs. You can draw circles. You can draw squares. You can draw triangles. Okay? It's easier for you. All right? So today, let's do sums of 3. Have a great day. Enjoy your time at home, and we will see you very, 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 very soon. Do not worry. We're working, Mom and your dad and I are working very hard so that you and I can see each other through this camera live, all at the same time. And I hope that we can see each other, not just you and me, but your friends in the classroom at Pre-K 102. And I'll be glad to invite Ms. DeBono so that you can see her as well. Have a great day. Bye.